Whether you have a Facebook group, Telegram channel, WhatsApp contact, Reddit, or even a small blog, you can start making money right now. Today, let's talk about a money-making method that requires no website, no upfront investments, and no advanced skills. Just your phone and a bit of traffic. This platform is called Monetag. It is a monetization platform that helps you earn by turning your online traffic into real cash. And the best part, you don't even need a website to start earning. This platform, Monetag, pays you when people click your special links. And you can use WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or any other app where you can share links for this. And it works for beginners, for students, for small creators, or for any other person looking for ways to make money online. So watch this video till the end. And here's what makes this platform unique. You don't need websites to get started. All you need is any app where you can share links, like your Facebook accounts, your Telegram, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, or any other app. No need for your website. And you get some tools which I'll also be talking about later, which are Direct Link and SmartLink, which will help you to earn. And another thing that makes this platform unique is that it works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you live. And another thing is that you are shown how much you earn anytime. And another one that makes it unique is that you have multiple payouts option. So even if you don't have a PayPal account, you can still withdraw your earning. And the payment is very low, which is just $5, which is another very good thing. Before we continue, I want to let you know that some links in the video may be referral links, and if you're going to sign up with them, I may earn a small commission, which adds no extra cost to you. It is just a way of supporting the channel. Thank you. Now, let me show you how to get started and how it works. So use the link in the description box to register an account. Click on sign up. And here, you'll be asked to choose to start with an email or Google. So when you choose email, you can choose Google, it depends, but you choose email, you have to fill in your information and make sure that you fill in your real names and real information, because you need it later to be able to withdraw. So your first name, last name, email, country of residence, phone number, and things like that. Make sure everything is correct. And after registering, you'll be asked to verify your email, so also do that. So after logging in, this is what you see. This is where to get your direct link, which you can post on your WhatsApp, your Facebook, or Telegram, or any other app. So you copy the link, you make a post, and add your link. And when people click it, you earn money. And when you click on statistics, there you'll be seeing how much you've gotten and how many people have clicked your link. And let me give you some tips to add more. When you're trying to share your link, share it in active groups or platform where you have followers, so that you have more people that will click your link. And when you're posting, Post trending topics because people are more likely to click trending topics. So make a post on topics that are trending and add your link. And even if it's just 30 to 50 clicks a day, it is something. Okay. And you click on earnings to know how much you've earned. Okay. And if you want to refer, you click on referral program. And as you can see, it says share the link with your referral. Once your publisher account is approved, you get a referral link for sharing. A new referral you have brought should sign up using the referral link. You will earn 5% of all the referrals revenue. You read their terms and conditions and you accept to get your link. And you can also click on Insights to know more about how to use the SmartLink and many other things about the platform. And when you have up to $5, you can request for a withdrawal request. You click on Payments and you click on Set a Payment Method. Now remember to fill in your correct information while registering this account because you will need them while trying to make a withdrawal request. And there are many ways you can make a withdrawal here. You can use PayPal if you want, and the minimum withdrawal from PayPal is just $5. Or if you have crypto, you can use crypto, but the minimum withdrawal for cryptocurrencies is $100. So check well and choose which one will work best for you. So if you're looking for a way to make money online without a website, then I'll encourage you to try Monetag. The link to get started will be in the description box or the comment section. It is free to join. And remember, I may earn a small commission if you sign up, but it won't cost you anything. Thank you for supporting the channel. Like the video if it helped you. Ask your questions in the comment section and subscribe for more money tips you can try from anywhere. Thank you.